Fafanami, 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 Fafanami. Fafanami simply means peace unto y'all. Peace unto y'all. Peace unto y'all. This is Prince Kofi. I'm here to bring out some series of misinformations that we have over the years. If you're a Christian, you subscribe to the Bible. You subscribe to these modern names of the Bible. Your doctrine may be a fault because you may have wrong translations of the names and locations. So in this series, I'm going to go over the names of the sons of Yaakov, which is for most of y'all known as Jacob. The sons of Jacob in their name, in their modern translation, and also in the original translation. Eʋe is ancient Hebrew. Eʋe is my language. Eʋe is the language that the Bible original was written in. So the names that was given have a meaning to them in Eʋe. In the modern translation and transliteration, some of these meaning were lost. So I'm here to make some of those corrections. I'm going to go over some of these names over the series. I'm going to be dropping a couple videos once a day. If you have any question, you can go on the comment and ask me any question. I'm going to go over these names and I'm going to show you how to say it in their proper form. So the first name we're going to go over is Reuben. Reuben is the first sons of Yaakov. Modern translations of the name Reuben say, behold, a son. But in the scripture, don't have any meaning to even a reference to behold a son. But however, in the Eʋe, since there was a language that was used to read the Bible, the name of the sons of Yaakov, the first son, read Doʋuvinye. Doʋuvinye, the child who opened my womb. The child who opened my womb. The D and R are interchangeable. And along Eʋe, that's the dialect that was used to read in the scripture. The D and R are interchangeable. D, the C in their name is that spell C is actually O, Do. And that character right there is V. It can be V, it can be W. In this case, is V, Doʋuvinye. Doʋuvinye, the child who opened up my womb. So if you go into the scripture in Genesis chapter 29 and you read through that and get the context, if you get up to verse 31st, out of that, I believe the verse 31st saying, and when it comes to the time, the Most High have saw Leah, that she was in love. So therefore, he make her open her womb. Pretty much she opened her womb because she was not loved and she was barren. So she opened up her womb. So that right there, giving the name of the first child, the name is Doʋuvinye. So the reference to that is Genesis 29, verse 31. You can get the full reference and read through that whole context, and you can get the understanding of the name Doʋuvinye, and that's what you get as Reuben today in the modern translation. So I'm going to be going over this series. Stay tuned and like and share and comment and let me know what you think. Peace unto y'all. Fafanami.